Hi everyone, I didn't get a chance to record a video for BoxyCharm for November, but this is everything that I received in that box. I do like everything except for maybe one item in the box. My BoxyCharm got here today and I wanted to just quickly open it and see what I got. Sorry that I sound terrible, I'm actually getting sick. Here's the little card with more information about each product and also the price. Here's the first item I pull out. It's from Saturday Skin. It's a Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. It's supposed to help moisturize the skin and protect it from free radicals. Here's what the inside looks like. It has no smell really. And I want to try it out on my skin. So I just rubbed a little into my skin. It feels soft, moisturized. I really like the way it looks. It looks way better than my left hand, and I can't wait to use it. Next item I pull out is from Ciate. This is really pretty. I love the packaging. Let's look at what's inside. This is Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher, and I think it looks so pretty. I love the packaging. I actually placed some on my hand. The top is just with the blush color. The bottom is with it both mixed and swirled around. And it looks very pretty. Both look very pretty. The next item in the box is from Seraphine Botanicals. It's a lip exfoliator with radish extract. It has a base of avocado, apricot, jojoba oils, shea, and coconut butter. Here is what the lip scrub looks like, and it smells so good. I can't wait to use this. The next item is the Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit. So let's look inside. Here is the packaging. I think it's actually really cute. The brow gel is on top, and it has 2 different shades for your brows. It also has a brightening brow lift shade, and it has a little angled and flat brush, which is very convenient. I love that it's travel friendly, and I can't wait to use it. So the last item in the box is from Storybook Cosmetics. I really do love the details on this. And this is from the Little Red Riding Hood fairy tale. It's so pretty. I love that it looks like a little book. It comes with a mirror. And I love the name of the shades, Red, Big Bad Wolf. This is actually super cute and different. You can even display it somewhere. I'm so sorry that I'm sick and I sound horrible in the video, but this is everything that I got for the month of December. I love this box. I can't wait to use it. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.